Important this one, 3 marks. So 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, that is equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Important 3 marks question. So now how to prove this one? LHS side. Take LHS side. So LHS side is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. What are the methods how to solve this? First you have to see whether it is possible to apply identity. Right? Identity 1 for numerator is it possible? So 1 minus cos theta. But in our formula list, what is your identity? 1 minus cos square theta. So is it possible to apply here identity? No. Yes, now for denominator. Is it possible? 1 plus cos theta. There we have 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square. So for numerator and also for denominator, it is not possible to apply those identity, means those formula list. Now second method is, what is the second method? Second method is rationalizing, right? So when we use rationalizing, if it is numerator divided by denominator. So here is numerator divided by denominator. So we can use rationalization. So now rationalize denominator. Rationalize denominator. How to rationalize denominator? Already you know, right? So denominator is 1 plus cos theta. Rationalize denominator means multiply and divide by 1 minus cos theta. So now 1 minus cos theta, which is equal to divided by 1 plus cos theta. Now this one rationalize and rationalize denominator. So rationalize denominator is into 1 minus. Here it is plus. So rationalize means plus changes as minus cos theta. Multiply and divide by 1 minus cos theta. After multiplication, what is our next step? Next step is numerator multiplication and denominator. So it is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Normally you know that if you rationalize denominator, which formula to use in denominator? It is a plus b into a minus b. Is it right? Yes, a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to what? A square minus b square. So now here, next that is equal to, now numerator. See the numerator. Normally what we do is multiplying, right? That is binomial to binomial multiplication. So if you multiply, that takes lengthy method. I explained in previous class, right? So now if you multiply binomial to binomial multiplication, it takes more time and that will be a lengthy method. So to avoid that, see 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, that is multiplication. So that is, if it is using, right, what are the formulas used? Using a into a. So what is your answer? It is a square, right? So now here 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So that is equal to what? 1 minus cos theta whole square. A into a is a square. So 1 minus cos theta into, say it is 1 minus cos theta and it is repeated 2 times means it is whole square, right? So now what is the numerator? It is 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by denominator. Already you know. See here, it is 1, here also 1. This is cos and this is also cos. But here it is plus and minus means, but using which formula here? A minus b into a plus b. So that is equal to what here? A square minus b square. So that means for which one we apply this formula? It is for 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So which is equal to what? 1 square minus cos square theta. Already I explained in your previous question. So now denominator changes as it is 1 square theta. 1 square minus cos square theta. Now don't simplify this numerator, that keep it as it is because we need whole square we need, right? In answer we need whole square. So keep that square as it is, don't use any formula, it is as it is. That is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by 1 square means 1. So many times repeated this form. 1 square minus cos square or 1 minus cos square is what? Sin square theta. This is equal to sin square theta. So now using which formula? I'll write here using your identity 1 minus cos square theta, that is equal to sin square theta. By the side of notes you should write what are the formulas used. What are the formulas used? So now this is equal to, how to change this one? This is in the form of, so here this formula is used. Now it is in the form of a square divided by b square. See here 1 minus cos theta whole square a square divided by sin square theta means this b square. A square divided by b square is what? It is equal to a divided by b whole square, right? So a square divided by b square, that is equal to a divided by b whole square. Now this changes sign. How we can write this whole square? 1 minus cos theta divided by sin square, it is sin theta. 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta, which is equal to whole square. Clear now? Numerator square, denominator also square. So together is numerator divided by denominator square. Now how to split this? Already you know this. 1 minus cos theta, here I need, it is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta, how to write? Inside bracket, it is 1 divided by sin theta. Splitting this. 1 divided by sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta whole square, right? So 1 divided by sin theta is what? Already you know from formula list, it is cosecant theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta, what? It is cot theta from your list of formula. So now I'll write here by using which formula I use? 1 divided by sin theta is replaced as cosecant theta, and one more formula is cos theta divided by sin theta, that is replaced as cot theta. So these are the formulas we use. So what we got? Cosecant theta minus cos theta whole square, which is equal to RHS side. So therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. That is write the conclusion. What is that conclusion? Conclusion is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, that is equal to cosecant theta minus cos theta whole square. Clear? So this type is important. In previous class also I discussed the same type of question, rationalizing. Important, both the test for 2 or 3 marks important. Question important, 3 or 4 marks. So now prove that cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta, which is equal to 2 secant theta, which is equal to 2 secant theta. Now take your LHS side. What is your LHS side? LHS side is cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta, right? Now first how to simplify this? We need 2 secant theta. Yes, how to simplify? First to see, is it possible to apply identities? Cos theta, we can't use any identity. 1 minus sin theta. What is identity? 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square. But here it is 1 minus sin theta. So not possible. So numerator not possible. 1 plus sin theta. Is it possible? No. What is your identity? Identity is 1 minus sin square. But here it is 1 plus sin theta. So that is not possible to use identity. If it is not possible to use identity, what is your next step? Is rationalizing, right? also for second division part, right? So if it is single like this, suppose assume that this is not there. So how to simplify cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta? It is by rationalizing, because numerator divided by denominator. But here it is c numerator divided by denominator plus again numerator divided by denominator. If your question is in the form of like this, x divided by x plus 2 minus or plus y divided by x minus 2. How we are simplifying this? By taking LCM. You are familiar with that type of question, right? Compare this given problem with that type of question. So now which method we can use here? By taking LCM. So take LCM. Already you know LCM. See here, denominator is 1 minus sin theta. This is 1 plus sin theta. See here, x plus 2 and x minus 2. How we are simplifying? What is your LCM here? LCM is x plus 2 and into x minus 2, right? So now how to get numerator? Assume that this x plus 2, x plus 2 cancels. What is left is x minus 2, that is multiplied to this one, that is x into x minus 2 minus, assume that x minus 2 and x minus 2 cancels. What is left here? X plus 2, that should multiply to y into x plus 2. Next method is a simplification, right? So follow the same method for this one. So your LCM is 1 minus sin theta. So LCM is 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Next numerator. How to get numerator is multiplying. See, 1 minus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta, assume it cancels. What is left here? Cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. So cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now what is sin here? Plus. Now assume that this 1 plus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta cancels. What is left here? 1 minus sin theta. That you have to multiply to cos theta. So cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Now how to simplify this? Now we have multiplied, because we need a single term, that is 2 secant theta. So multiply this. Here we can't use any formula, that is here it is not repeated. So here multiply monomial to binomial multiplication. So cos theta into 1 is cos theta. Cos theta into plus sin theta is plus cos theta into sin theta, right? X into y is x into y. So plus into this plus, sign is plus. Now next multiply this one. Plus cos theta into 1 is plus cos theta plus cos theta into minus sin theta. So what is the sign here? Plus. Plus into minus is minus. Cos theta into sin theta is cos theta into sin theta divided by, already I told, if it is LCM or if it is rationalization, see normally we are going to apply a plus b, a minus b. Now is it possible to apply here 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta? See here, 1, this is also 1, means a. This is b, means sin theta, both are same. But here it is minus, here it is plus, means we can use a minus b, a plus b formula. So that is equal to what? A square minus sin square theta. So now here, next see here I used, so using, write that. So using a plus b into a minus b. So that is equal to what? A square minus b square. For which one I use? For 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, which is equal to what? 1 square minus sin square theta, right? So already you know that 1 minus sin square. So many times it repeated this one. 1 square means it is 1. So 1 minus sin square, that is equal to what? Cos square. Now see the numerator. Numerator, is it possible to cancel something here? Collect like terms. So cos theta, this is cos theta, sin theta. These are not like terms. Next is cos theta. Is this cos theta and this cos theta like terms? Yes. Because this is one cos theta. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So that is equal to 2 cos theta plus 0 means it is 2 cos theta divided by cos square theta. I'll write as cos theta into cos theta, right? Already you know that if it is a square equal to what it is a into a. So similarly cos square theta is what? It is cos theta into cos theta. So this is cos square theta I am replacing as cos theta into cos theta. Now 1 cos theta numerator and 1 cos theta denominator cancels. What is left here? Only 2 left. Denominator this is cancelled. So means cos theta. What I will answer? It is 2 secant theta, right? So I got 2. So that is equal to 2 and I will change this as 1 divided by cos theta. Is it right? 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 I will separate this. Next I will write 1 divided by cos theta. So which is equal to what? 2. 1 divided by cos theta from your formula list it is equal to secant theta. So we got 2 secant theta which is equal to RHS side. Therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. That is write the conclusion. Therefore what is the conclusion? Cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta which is equal to 2 secant theta. Which is equal to 2 secant theta. So this is important. Same question we can do in 3 different methods. So one method is by taking LCM. Try to simplify in other 2 methods. Just I'll explain here what are the methods. So here if you see this part and next to this part, what is common here? Cos theta is common, right? So you can take cos theta outside. So what will get? 1 divided by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 divided by 1 plus sin theta. So next you can take LCM and you can simplify. That is it. Now next you will get answer set, that is 2 secant theta. Next depending on answer you have to rearrange the simplification. So now next is I use LCM, right? So one more method is this is like what numerator and denominator. So use for this one rationalization. What is a rationalization for this? Multiply and divide by what? 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Simplify it. Now next is this part also rationalize because numerator by denominator. Normally if you have numerator by denominator, which method we are applying? Rationalization, right? So now here also for this apply rationalization. So what is the rationalization? 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Next is simplification. Just try this. But this is easy method. This is easy method. I use many steps. Those steps are not necessary for your understanding. I use. Okay. So important for 3 to 4 marks. Next question. Prove that square root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta which is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. Same type we simplified. The simplification is which one we simplified? That is without square. We simplified. See the problem is 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta which is equal to secant theta minus tan theta whole square, right? We simplified that question. But only difference is here it is under square root, here it is under square root. But follow the same method as 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. This is very important. This type of questions are important for 3 or 4 marks. 3 or 4 marks. Now, what is the LHS side? LHS side is 1 minus sin theta 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta under square root. This is your denominator. So I'll just recall that previous question. Previous question is 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Answer is what? You should get answer as secant theta minus tan theta whole square, right? How we simplified this? See the simplification part of this question. Then it is easy to simplify this one. So how we simplified numerator by denominator means rationalizing. That is 1 minus denominator. Rationalize denominator. So now that is equal to under square root. So square root must be for these two. So both numerator and denominator under this square root. Don't write like this. So 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta, it is square root. That is wrong. So square root must come like this. For numerator, it should cover both numerator and denominator. So now rationalize denominator. 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Now assume that there is no square root. How you simplify this? This is rationalized denominator. So rationalized denominator is what? 1 minus sin theta. See, extend this. This must completely inside square root divided by 1 minus sin theta. One extra work is this is square root. So that is equal to, now how we simplified that problem? Same method. How we simplified? 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta under square root 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Right? So now next simplification. That is equal to, what is the next method? What we use for this type of question is a into a, right? See, this first bracket is 1 minus sin theta. Second is also 1 minus sin theta. That means a into a is a square. So a square means it is 1 minus sin theta whole square. This is whole square divided by, denominator which formula? That is a plus b, a minus b. So that is equal to what? A square minus b square means 1 square minus sin square theta. I'll use right here using, already you know this. So I'll use for this one using a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So that changes as 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, which is equal to 1 square minus sin square theta. Now what we replaced in this type of question? I told you to compare that with this one and simplify, then it is easy. So now how to simplify this? 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by, you know this, 1 square minus sin square is always equal to cos square. Right? So the next, which formula we use? 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by cos square means it is in the form of, which form it is? It is a square divided by b square, which is equal to a divided by b whole square. So now this is under square root 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta whole square. Right? Cos theta whole square. Now I will cancel this square and square root, right? This is square and this is square root cancel. How it is? Suppose this is square root of a square. So square root of a square is what? Square and square root cancel. That is equal to a. Similarly here, numerator divided by denominator square. Correct? No? This is whole square means this as a single number, right? A square means square and square root cancels. Don't cancel here, okay? Square and square root don't cancel here. So this is first right in this form. A square divided by b square is equal to a divided by b whole square. First write that problem or that step in this form. After that cancel square and square root. So now what is left here? That is, what is left here? This is by the side of your notes. Next, what is left? That is equal to square and square root cancel, right? It is equal to RHS side. That means that is square root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta, which is equal to secant theta minus tan theta, which is proved. See here, 1 minus sin theta whole square cos square theta, this you know how to write. It is 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta whole square, means it is a square divided by b square is a by b. Now next cancel this square and square root. Square and square root cancel means, so while writing don't write this square root, is 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. After that you know, same as the previous question, important for 3 marks. Next, prove that this one is prove that square root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Use the same method as previous question. Have we simplified LHS side? So LHS side is what? Square root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, right? Next, which method will be used for 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta? We rationalize, right? So rationalize denominator, that is equal to 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So many problems we simplified of this type. So here 1 minus cos theta. So rationalize denominator is multiply by 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, right? So 1 minus, so multiply by 1 plus. After multiplying, which formula here? It is same. It is 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So now next is which we use? See, refer your previous questions. After this method, only difference is instead of cos, there sin. So 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Same thing it is repeated. So we can write as 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by under square root 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. So that is equal to what? A plus b, a minus b. 1 square minus cos square theta. So you should write using which formula? A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So that is equal to under square root 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by 1 square minus cos square theta, already you know, it is equal to sin square theta. After this, which method will be used? It is in the form of a square divided by b square, which is equal to what? A divided by b. 1 plus cos theta divided by b sin theta whole square, right? Using formula that you should write, using a square divided by b square is equal to a divided by b whole square. So it is 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta whole square. After this, which method? Square and square root cancel. That means using square root of a square is equal to a. There are 2 and square root symbol we cancel. So which is equal to square and square root cancels. What is there? It is 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. So if it is in this form, how to write? Splitting that. How to split? It is 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta. So which is equal to 1 divided by sin theta is what? Cosecant theta we got, plus cos theta divided by sin theta is what? It is cot theta, plus cos theta we got, which is equal to RHS side. Therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side, that is theta. Cosecant theta plus cot theta, and hence it is proved. Important for 5 marks. Next question, important. 3 marks, 4 marks. Okay, 3 or 4 marks. Very important question. Prove that. See here, sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square. Sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus bracket cos theta plus secant theta whole square, which is equal to that side 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. First take your LHS side. LHS side is sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square. For these two it is whole square plus next cos theta plus secant theta whole square. Cos theta plus secant theta whole square. Now how to simplify this? Is it possible to apply your identity? Is it possible? No. Sin square, cos square, that is cosecant different. See here, but sin theta and this is cosecant theta. Is it possible to apply this formula? Sin theta into cosecant theta. Can you write this as equal to 1? Can you write this as equal to 1 square? No. Why it is not? See, what is the sign between sin and cosecant? It is plus, not multiplication. See the difference? So the form is sin theta into cosecant theta is 1, but here it is sin theta plus cosecant theta, that is whole square. So we can't replace or we can't use the table formulas. We can't replace it as 1. Clear, no? Similarly for this also, cos theta it is plus cos theta plus secant theta. Suppose if you have the like this cos theta into secant theta, between cos and secant theta, if it is multiplication, we can write it as equal to 1. But is it possible to write here as equal to 1? No, right? So now how to simplify? Is it possible to use identity? No. Is it possible to use rationalization method? No. Why not? Because here there is no numerator and denominator, right? There is no numerator and denominator, so we can't use rationalization. Next, which form we can use here? See the form. Form is sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square. I think you got idea, right? Which formula we can use? It is a plus b whole square, right? It is in the form of a plus b whole square. For second bracket, yes, what to use? Again, this is a plus b whole square. Means we can use a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula. So right here, using formula, using it is a plus b whole square. What is the a plus b whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So for both the brackets, use that formula, which is equal to, what is the a? A is S. What is the a? A is sin theta, and right here form a plus b. So this is also a plus b whole square. This is also whole square. What is your a? A is sin theta. So formula is a square. So sin square theta plus 2 into ab. 2 into a is what? Sin theta into b is what? Cosecant theta plus b square. B square is what? Cosecant square theta. Cosecant square theta. Next, plus, this is for first bracket. For first bracket. Now for second bracket. So which formula it is? Again, a plus b whole square. A is cos square theta plus 2 into cos theta into secant theta plus secant square theta. This is for second bracket. For second bracket. Just remove that brackets. It is sin square theta plus 2 into sin theta into cosecant theta. 2. What is here? Sin theta into cosecant theta. Between sin and cosecant, it is multiplication. Can you replace it as equal to 1? Yes, it is equal to 1. Cos sin theta into cosecant theta is 1 from your formula list. Plus this cosecant square theta as it is. Now next plus from your second bracket cos square theta plus again see this 2 into cos theta into sin secant theta. You know this cos theta into secant theta, that is equal to what? Equal to 1. So cos theta into secant theta, I wrote it as equal to 1. Next plus secant square theta. In exam don't put this arrow mark and all. This is for your reference. So cos theta into secant theta I changed as equal to 1 from your formula list, and sin theta into cosecant theta, that is equal to 1. Right? Right here using formula. So using which one here? Sin theta into cosecant theta, which is equal to 1, cos theta into secant theta, which is equal to 1. This is using form. As now that is equal to, can you write any identity here? See the trigonometric ratios. See that this is sin square theta, 2 into 1 is 2. This is cosecant square theta. Is it possible to combine this? No. Next here it is cos square theta. So I combine sin square theta plus cos square theta. Why I am writing this together? This and this I am writing as together. Sin square theta and cos square theta I am writing together. Why it is? We know that formula sin square theta plus cos square theta, we can change it as 1. Next 2 into 1. How much it is? 2 plus here is also one more 2. 2 into 1 is how much here? 2. What is left? It is cosecant square theta plus secant square theta. Is it possible to combine here? Do you have formula? Cosecant square theta plus secant square is equal to 1? No, right? So don't combine these two. So now sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 4 plus now cosecant square theta, right, as it is, plus secant square theta. So now again using which formula here? Using sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. So that is equal to 1 plus 4 is how much here? 5 plus, now see the answer. Answer, what we need here? Tan square. We need cot square. But I got here cosecant square and secant square. How to change cosecant square in terms of tan or cot? Relate that. Cosecant square and cot square. Do you have any identity? Do you have any relation? Yes. We have a relation. What is that relation? The identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Now can you replace that cosecant square theta as equal to 1 plus cot square theta? Yes. Why it is? Because we need answer cot square. So I am changing that cosecant as 1 plus cot square theta. What we need? So you should replace by using formulas. Understood? No? Your question is tan square and cot square answer we need. But we got this one. This we don't want. So that means remove that cosecant They did not ask what we need, right? So if it is asked what we need, you have to change